piece is available in every store because the movement of sales and the movement of replacing pieces cannot be exactly matched. Sorry, one Again, thank you, all of you, to make your time and spend the afternoon with us. As you know, our grandfather started this 75 years ago. Next year, in fact, is going to be our 75th anniversary of Kirtidas. And we started with a simple 7-stone stud. And that was our first product. And from that, we've really gone through a very long and enjoyable journey of diamond jewelry. And something that we've always stood for is very high quality in our diamonds, which I think were...
Kirtidas. Today, as you know, thanks to, I would like to thank everyone for coming here, making your time, coming here and all. And today we are relaunching this showroom. And I'd like to introduce Mr. Suraj Shankumar. He's our Director for Business Strategy. And he's a management graduate and he's involved in...
Welcome. Thank you for taking the time to make it today. As you know, we've been in Chennai since 1999, and we thought that this is the time for us to sort of reinvent ourselves and bring something unique to the Chennai city. So what we've done is we've really expanded our range of diamond jewelry, which is one of the main reasons for renovating and relaunching this showroom. So you will find here all styles of jewelry, which Ms. Seema will tell you a lot more about. From the business angle, Chennai has always been a very important market for us. And across our 9 stores, I think Chennai, 1939 was the first store, then 1999 was the second store in Chennai. Yeah, and Crosscut Road is a new location. It is the upcoming location in Coimbatore. So we have the stores in both the places.
But the business in Chennai is no less.
So the potential in Chennai is so strong, as you know. It's the top city in the south today. So.
And probably in the world, because the quality of diamonds that the women in Chennai I think there's a huge passion for high-end diamond jewelry in Tamil Nadu. And not in Europe, not in US, not in Japan, not in China, nowhere else in the world actually. Not North India, this is a very special place to us because we love high-quality diamonds. That's what we breathe and that's what we do. And we're very happy to know that our response to our families in Chennai are the same, and that they're actually very passionate about buying very high-quality diamonds.
Absolutely. Even in across the south, I think if we see the Chennai customers always buy the top quality, even compared to other locations in the south.
How do you work on demand for the diamond?
Like family, actually, because we don't regard ourselves as just servicing clients, but really more like family, and we'd like to give them our tips, our advice, and we have that kind of a rapport. Our sales executives as well have that family kind of a rapport with our clients, and so they must feel very much at home with us and request us to create whatever they want, actually. And so this by appointment only is really to sit down and understand approximately the budget that they would like to spend, and based on how many events they have at the wedding, we can actually guide them and tell them that for this particular event you can go for something like this, for this you can go with something like this. So you have a look of what. And these are exclusively available with us.
Another very unique product that we've come out with is the bangles. These are known as the precision bangles. In these bangles, these are also imported from Germany. These diamonds are actually set by a machine. It's not set by a human being. So the uniformity of the setting and the placement of the diamond in the socket is it maximizes the brilliance of the diamond. That's the way the setting of the diamonds is done.
And it's exclusively available at
This is of course we believe that it's quite unique and I don't think I've not heard of anyone else doing this particular style of product. And I think when people think of florals, there's usually a particular style that they have in mind. So this particular collection, it shows the florals in a different way with a lot of unique, never before seen designs.
All of this is made in our in-house facility in Coimbatore. So the whole idea of glow and go. So wear something quick every day that's different, and you walk out the door looking fabulous. So if you can just show me these kinds of pieces. So they're actually on a smaller budget. So this is not your large wedding jewelry at all, but this is something you can wear to work or wear at a party or at a smaller event. And they're all very elegant, very beautifully crafted, light in weight as well. And some cocktail rings and all kinds of Italian jewelry, and there's lots of innovative things within the collection. And it's a very large collection actually.
And we've observed that in today's jewelry market, there's a lot of new first-time diamond buyers. So for these first-time diamond buyers, we've come out with this glow and go collection, which is at a lower price.
I'd like to come and visit our new store.
So what is the strategic advantage of this innovated tool? What is the strategic advantage of this innovated tool? Any additional business you are doing?
Yes, definitely, because the main purpose of renovating the showroom was to give it a look and also to increase the space, because we wanted to widen our diamond collection. So in that sense, the renovated showroom gives enough space